Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to duplicate your project or how to make a copy of your project so that you can apply the new style for another file. So first thing we have to do is open the Canva application, and now you need to decide which project that you want to copy or that you want to duplicate to. So for example, let's check this unboxing time project. So here I already have this, but I want to do the different style for this editing. So there will be two ways to make a duplicate the file. You can do like exactly in the same files of the project by just click this button, and after that you just need to click a duplicate so that you will be have a two project with the same exactly same style of editing, so that you can do the different editing without like disappearing the original one. So you can do the different editing. For example, you want to change the fonts to do a comparison which fonts that probably perfect into for your editing. For example, this one, okay, and this one you can like change into the another styles too. Okay, for example, let's do with this. Okay, it's too big, I think it's not really good. This one, okay, or another one right there. Okay, now you just need to compare which a style that probably good. Is it this or this one? You can do that, or if you want to do a different files, you can just go back into a home, and after that into this unboxing time you just need to click this three smalls button and then do a make a copy. And now you already have a two type of this file, so that you can do the different editing for the another file that you already copied before. So that's all the way how to duplicate your file in a Canva. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.